Today I'm going to show you how to remove your Gmail account from other devices step by step so you can protect your privacy and keep your Google account secure. This is especially useful if you've signed in on a shared computer, used a friend's phone, or you simply notice devices on your account that you no longer recognize. The good news is that Google makes this process pretty straightforward, and you can do it in just a few minutes. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick and easy tech tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to myaccount.google.com. This is your Google account dashboard, where you can manage your security, privacy, and device access all in one place. Once the page loads, sign in with the Google account that you want to secure. Make sure you're using the correct account, especially if you have multiple Gmail accounts. After you're signed in, look for the security section on the left side or in the main account menu. Click security to open your account protection settings. This is where Google keeps important tools related to password changes, login activity, and the devices currently connected to your account. Now scroll down until you see the section called Your Devices. This area shows every phone, tablet, computer, or other device that has recently accessed your Google account. Take a careful look through the list and check for anything familiar or unfamiliar. If you see a device that you don't use anymore or one you don't recognize at all, that's the one you'll want to remove. Next, click Manage All Devices. This will take you to a full list of all devices signed into your Google account. Here, Google gives you more detailed information, such as the device name, the last time it was active, and the type of device it is. This step is really important because it helps you confirm exactly which device you want to sign out from. Once you find the device you want to remove, select it. After opening the device details, look for the option that says Sign Out. Click Sign Out to remove your Google account from that device. Google may ask you to confirm the action, so go ahead and approve it if prompted. As soon as you do this, that device will no longer have access to your Gmail account unless the user signs in again. If you have more devices you don't recognize, repeat the same process for each one. Open the device, check the details, and click Sign Out. It's a good idea to go through the entire list carefully so you don't miss anything. If you notice several unfamiliar devices, that can be a sign that you should also change your password right away for extra security. And that's it. You've now learned how to remove your Gmail account from other devices using your Google account security settings. This is one of the fastest ways to protect your email and make sure only trusted devices can access your account. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a like, subscribe for more helpful guides, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.